All right, today is July 21st, 2025. I'm looking at this price action from yesterday because I was looking at this here and these two right here. All right, and I noticed that I had a strong selling candle here, which created this. Right, looking at it now, I can see it clearer. Right, created this 1225 of contracts. Right, so it's that right here. This little red thing here happened, and we had 1225 of contracts, or just aggressive ticks in a sense. All right. It's showing buying here, but strong selling there. I'm gonna go for a little bit faster. Right now it's 9:32. Right, so that we get this kind of completely complete its thing on the at least on this one here. So we have selling here, setting up something. Got selling occurring here, strong selling occurring here. It was showing buying down here. You can see down there on NQ. Right. So now, what is price going to do? Right, price pushes down. Buyers trying to sit in this area here. This is where I was looking for a buy, but I never really got the buy I was looking for. Right, we got a buy right here, right? But it just didn't feel proper. I don't know why. I didn't feel proper taking this trade for long. Maybe because we had this strong sell here. This buy looked like it overpowered it, right? But we go back, we see that price went down further, and then here, right? So I could have entered here and probably would have got stuff out, but price was giving me short vibes. I don't know how to explain it. I was getting just short vibes. I wasn't getting long vibes. I was getting short vibes. Maybe because price didn't really dip further enough for me to really say, oh, I want to go long. Like this one here, yes, but this one was too. That's probably what it was. This was too high up, and we still had to dip further. If price came down to settlement price and bounced, I probably would have taken this trade. This looks like it's just too far, and we're here. I would like the price to clear it. So even though I'm thinking in my head, man, I want to go long, we're another short vibe here. Now we're going down, but still not further enough. I don't see no um, hammer candles inside of this block. Right, we're on top of it. So I'm looking for a hammer candle or an engulfing or a piercing candle. Only two things I was looking for, really. Not didn't get any of that. Then we got this, right? And this is the part that I want to keep an eye on. This is 10 o'clock, right? Happening here. So I want to look at this as price move up into this level here and see what we get. Cause this is a lot of aggressive here, and price basically halted. Didn't go up, didn't go down. Kind of cleared this buying because you see we got below it, but we never cleared this selling. All right. So here goes price. Price pushes up. Bum bum. Went up to it. Bam. Could have entered right there. Stop loss right above. So I have to be quick with it. And now let's see how price reacts. Right, 10 o'clock contract move. Bum bum. Enter here. 6 points. Looking for a price to break below. Aiming down for 63.25. Just waiting. You can see for this one here, it's just the opposite. Right, price was selling, but the price never moved. Bought, went above, came back down to it. This one here, price dropped down, came back up to it. Right, small little W. So price really holding here. That is quite annoying. Right, and I thought about entering right here, like stop, boom, and boom. This is 49, 55. So 49, 50, 51, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points. Yeah. I thought about just entering here. but I was iffy on it. Like, what if price breaks above it? Price is selling off right now on ES and Q as we are about to hit 9 o'clock. So it's at an area where I would have actually sold at if price made sense. The prices, look at the price hold. This hold, the longest 2 minutes of my life. Four minutes now. There we go. All right, there goes price. There, and it breaks. All right. Goal is to get to 6325. Did we get to 6325 on this bounce? I think price never got there. I think price started finding buyers, started looking at this here. So from $49, like the 10, almost 20 points. Let's see here. Yeah, I think price did struggle. Right now to buy. Oh, nope. Yeah, nice little push. Right, this here, good area to exit. Nice hammer. I exit right down here. Screw it. All right, and then get that and just call it a day. Does price go while we're still there? All right, this absorption level right here. Right, what's that hammer? Boom, that's absorption. Right, and price moved up, and then this is where I entered the trade from my short. I took the short right there. All right, I took this short right there, aiming for this part here where I wanted price to go down to. We had this little level here, and Q went up to that same area and started to sell. We had the buy and then the piercing candle. Loved what I saw here, and I just took it. And then that trade took me down to here, and then that was it. I exit as I saw this happening. Because when I saw this, I said, oh, I don't know what's going to come of this. I'm not going to deal with it. And then that was it for me. And I think price stood there the entire time and then moved back up. All right. So, yes, we did come down to that level. Very nice and cleanly. Well, not nice and cleanly, but that was something to look for. All right. So, I'm going to close this out. So, today, right, I had this level here. Price went up, kind of pierced it, and now it's dropping. Boom, went up, looked like a gap down. Kind of weird, kind of like just threw itself to the floor there. Let's do a different tick real quickly. Bye bye, bam bam, sell sell. All right, now let's see if the 20 corrects itself. Nope, bam bam. All right, so yeah, so price is basically dropping itself there, settlement price. So that same level is still right here. The price may bounce, or it may not. If it breaks, I'm looking for price to start heading down towards the bottoms. All right, towards these levels over here. I'm gonna look for something in the okay, usually I try to find at least something in the high and low areas to give me something to work with. All right, because I mean highs are extremes. So let's go into the 15. Nothing in the 15, nothing in the 15 up there. Let's go into the 10. Nothing there, nothing there. Let's go to the 5. Nothing at all. Nothing. 25. $30. All right, so I didn't find any buying on those lower time frames or selling at the lower time frames, just reversal. So we're gonna keep it as that. We'll see what price does when it gets to those levels. All right, so yeah, you see this one is good. I like this one. All right, so that one is good. So breaks down. I'm gonna aim for this level right here. All right, so about 20 points. Well, like I said, I wanted to go short, but I didn't have an entry to go short in, so there's no point of me forcing anything. Volume's pretty much lackluster. Okay, so yeah, the next strong area is way down here. All right, so NQ should be done because I did NQ last night. While NQ is bulldozing down. Same thing. Let's see if we can find a buy or a sell. Nothing, nothing, nothing. It's just too much now. Alright, so that's that. Just the buy here. That's dropping. Looks like just like ES and NQ, we do have something right here. Bit of absorption on the 15 and 30 minute and the 5. Sorry, and the 1 hour. Alright, 15 minute got it. 1 hour got it. Alright, so it's key area right here. So we got the buy and then boom, right? And then price comes back and kind of like retests it. So I can look for a short, probably a short up there, buy down here. That's pretty much it. All right, so news wise, I'm about to walk away and basically done setting up my charts. News wise, yeah, Coca-Cola has earnings, and then we have Tesla and Alphabet, and then Intel. So let's look at Tesla real quickly. So weekly, I haven't heard anything about Elon Musk. So we bounce. I think I'd love to see price come down here and then bounce up. Get the 160 to the 420. That would be the goal. What's the other one? Google. Let's see it. Reject that. Intel. Damn. This is Intel. Sheesh. What does the video look like? Damn. Okay. This year? Shit. Doubled. April 7th. Look up April 7th. Alright, and Nvidia, and then Coca-Cola. Alright, with that, I am done. Alright, so I'm gonna reset my charts and then wait for the market to open. Yep. Alright, and I'll log into my account. Newswise, there's nothing today. So, yeah. And so, um, I gotta be careful. So I'm still gonna be trading the 5 micros. Right. Like I said, I took a major hit last week. Dropped this low. That's way too damn low. And then yesterday I was able to at least do some kind of recovery. Um, Alright, started lifting it up, nice push, and then $1,000 down. Alright, so I could have brought it up, probably like maybe up to here, another 200, bring it up to here. Alright, and we started bad, held, pushed up, dropped even more. So yeah, so the goal is to worst day, best day, worst day. Best day is just like one trade too. I mean, best day was one trade. Worst day, very bad. So I don't have much I can trade with. I'm gonna set a max limit of 200 because yeah, shouldn't even be going beyond that today. So I'm putting a max limit of 200. All right. So there's basically like one trade. All right. I think it's this force. What's in here? Alright, so that's that. Alright, so I'm done. I'll catch you later. Oh, adios.